Dalgona intro.
Kahlua Dalgona Coffee Cocktail.
We're gonna make the Kahlua Coffee Dalgona Cocktail.
Come on, baby, froth up.
Go all in, all in. The Kahlua Dalgona Coffee Cocktail. Kahlua Dalgona. The Kahlua Dalgona Coffee Cocktail. There we go.
Oh, wow.
Oh God, that was so good.
Yeah! But I have no clue how to make this drink.
Me neither though.
No!
I've never made this.
Easy.
We're working with some sugar, some instant coffee, some Kahlua. We're working with some hot water. We're working with some milk of your choice. Instant coffee, 2 tablespoons.
We're getting ripped.
We're gonna need 1.5 tablespoons of Kahlua coffee liqueur.
Little chef's treat.
Ooh, love in a bottle.
That really is good stuff.
Mexican love. Okay, now we need to add the sugar. 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. And then hot water, we need 1.5 tablespoons. Ooh, and then we get to play with the fun stuff. Let's see what happens. Oh God.
Oh God.
Jesus, get it!
The most social media friendly drink.
It's looking good.
You take over.
All right, come on, baby. Come on, froth up.
Okay, go all in, all in.
All right, I hate to say it. Let's put it in a different container.
It's not even there, it's not even fluffy.
It's gonna be though. Oh, and this might help because this was holding our hot water and now it's kind of warm. At least it feels good now that I've been splattered with liquid. Max, get in here. Can you? See it frothing up? All right, take this back. My hand's getting tired from doing nothing.
7 years later. We got this recipe off Kahlua.com, so I'm blaming them.
Hell yeah.
We got sugar, Kahlua, hot water, and instant coffee.
Oh, you know what? What if we just mix the Kahlua into the milk and top it with the froth?
Yes.
Redo!
Starting over.
From scratch, from the top.
Can we make it this time?
So we messed up and we're gonna start again.
You're gonna do
3
tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and then we'll do hot water.
Yeah, we're gonna do 3.
We'll
So this looks like an even ratio of our instant coffee to hot water with a little bit of sugar.
Cross your fingers, take cover.
Eureka! Yes, I can see like a crema starting to form. Like, you know when you shake your espresso martini and you get that really nice froth? We're getting something like it. If AJ doesn't ruin it. Patience, my friends. Good things happen. We're really watching this paint dry, huh?
Do you want to hold this and we can close the episode and we'll take a nap? There, yeah. We're gonna, I'll take a nap.
We can get that whole immersion blender in. It's strong as hell. I just saw through the 4th dimension taking a sip of that.
Love a strong coffee in the morning.
Woo! That's a wake me up.
Okay, you need a handyman.
Hand off, 3, 2, 1. You're the best, right?
Oh, we're blaming Kahlua.com.
We're blaming Rico.
Virgin.
We sabotaged this show. Andreas thinks he's gonna fix it, which is probably true because he's our drink scientist.
No. Come on, make it work. Make it work.
Held like a peak.
Please film them. Please film them making this.
Then we need more sugar.
Oh God. Who gave us this tap?
The internet asked for it, even though it's only on the internet already. How's it going?
They didn't trust us with this one.
It's take 29. Yeah.
We f***ed up. We needed professional help. But we finally got it with some help and assistance. It's looking very smooth.
Yeah, if you're mixing this at home, don't underestimate your tools. Sorry, I'm choking on that coffee cream. I need a nap.
Okay.
Okay, I feel a little overwhelmed, mainly because I spent the last 20 years of my life whipping this up. So let's think, in the glass, can I add some magic? I'm gonna have Kahlua and milk, chocolate syrup. Do you ever do the swirls?
I've never done the swirls.
So I'm gonna try to do one long and I'm gonna try to spin the glass.
Absolut Kahlúa Dalgona
Cocktail.
There we go.
I'm gonna fill this up with some ice. Okay, we need 1.5 parts Kahlua. I'm gonna do this so that the Kahlua sinks down, the milk's gonna be on the top, the Dalgona fluff's gonna be in the middle, so it's gonna be like variations of brown and neutral tones. Let's see if it works out. It's always a downfall when you plan your masterpiece before you build it. So 1.5 parts Kahlua right in. I'm going 3 parts milk. Boom. Smash that up. Oh my gosh, so thick.
Oh God, leave some for me.
I feel amazing. This is so smooth and fun to mix with. The peak. Whoa. Wow. Oh. Ah. Since you're the queen of fika, this is a tribute to AJ.
Oh.
Nothing better with coffee than a cake, a cookie, good company. So I'm gonna stick this cookie right here on the edge.
Nice.
That is hot. The internet's gonna love this.
So I'm gonna go the other way around actually. So I'm gonna copy you on the chocolate swirl.
Yeah, good luck. Oh, it's already looking
God.
good.
There we go. Look at that, look at that. The ice. We go milk first, Kahlua later. 3/4 of milk. The last quarter we're gonna go Kahlua. Chocolate vibes in there. Oh,
Watch my drink.
you know what? I'm just feeling some orange in there.
Ooh, I like how the oil is falling on the foam. I'm seeing that react.
There we go. I'm gonna saute some of these on there.
It's really good distribution.
Here we go.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, and friends in between. Photo first,
Photo
taste
first,
after.
taste after. We're gonna take a picture, we're gonna upload it, and you guys are gonna vote for the winner. So, quick little photo sesh.
The internet will tell us who the winner is.
Cheers.
Till then, we'll just enjoy. Oh, wow.
Oh God. That was so good.
Well worth the time, worth the effort.
Do your funky take on a Kahlua drink. Don't forget to hashtag Absolut Drinks, and you might get featured on absolutdrinks.com.
What she said. Don't forget to subscribe below. We always want to hear from you. Until next time, stay in fine spirits with Absolut. Cheers.
Cheers. That is some good.
Cut!
I need towels.